everybody, Red Hot Ryan again. I'd like to say a big hello to all my new subscribers. Nearly got like 100 new subscribers in a day from eating a lemon. So thanks very much for the overwhelming success of that video. So to celebrate, I'm going to eat an onion as requested. Now as you can see, it's the same onion from the pictures at the start. I'm not swapping it for something less oniony. There we go. Really decent sized one as well. Never eaten an onion before. I really don't want to throw up, but I've got something just in case. I don't think I will. I feel confident. It's not strong. Right, anyway. Cheers guys. That's really horrible, as you kind of expect. Come on, I can do it. It's really hard to swallow. It's like the body isn't letting me swallow. This is the worst thing I've ever eaten. I binge. Come on. Ugh. My eyes are watering. I'm leaving that bottom bit, I don't give a fuck. There we fucking go. That's how to eat an onion. The only bit I didn't eat is the fucking hard bit on the bottom. Thanks for watching everyone. What do you fucking think? Leave some comments. Let me know what you want to do next. What you want me to do next even. That was fucking horrible. Cheers. It's colder here